Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about the super cute spring twist, my first protective style after coloring. If you did not see my video where I colored my natural hair from black to copper, then make sure you check that out. But this is the first protective style that I have done. The heat is heating, it's too hot, so I had to twist it up for just a moment, but keep on watching. So the hair that we use for the spring twist is the Outre Twisted Up Springy 3x Afro Twist 16-inch, pre-separated, pre-fluffed. The color 2 T99J 350. That's what the package looks like. This is what the hair looks like. I did get 2 of these packets. I only ended up using 1 and then a few pieces from this second package, so a little goes a long way. I only use 1 piece for each spring twist. These have been up a week now. You already know what it is with recording these intros and outros, but this is what the week looks like. A little bit of frizz, but that's okay because these are Afro springy twists, so the frizz makes them look even more natural, but I'm absolutely loving these spring twists. Give you a quick 360. So the products that I use to create these spring twists are from none other than Uncle Funky's daughter. So I use Midnight Train leave-in conditioner and then Super Curl, which is my moisturizing cream. If you have not tried Midnight Train, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I was never a huge fan of spray leave-in conditioners until I met this gem, and this right here, game changer. Amazing leave-in conditioner, gives you great moisture, smells great, and then Super Curl is definitely that girl. She's creamy, she's moisturizing, she has great slip, perfect for braid outs, twist outs, wash and goes, protective styles, like she's that girl. So she's super creamy, lightweight moisturizer. Love this gem. I do have a discount code with Uncle Funky's daughter. I will leave that on the screen as well as in the description box. So make sure you check that out. Save some coins when you're purchasing these amazing products. But we are going to get right into styling and how I achieve this look, which I'm absolutely loving with my new color. Again, this is my first protective style after coloring my hair. If you did not see that video yet, I'll link that up above. Make sure that you check it out. We are now Copper Girl. Thinking about going a little lighter. Not sure yet. We'll see. Wait a couple of weeks and then see what we want to do. But yeah, let's get into styling. Hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.